Hi, my name is Valerie Jeffers, and we're going to be working in Word 2016, creating several different types of lists. Let's take a look at our document. We're in our document now, and we're going to create several different types of lists. Let's get started. Let's highlight the area that we like to make into a list, and we're going to create a bullet. We're going to arrow down, and we're going to choose from our bullet library. All right, let's go to our next list. We're going to highlight, and we're going to define a new bullet. Arrow down, select define new bullet. We're going to pick a symbol. Let's pick one from the Wingding font. And I think I want to use, scroll up. All right. Click OK. We want to make it larger, and we also want to add some color. So let's click on font. We're going to pick a color. Let's choose green. We're going to make that a bigger font. We're going to choose 18. And we can see it viewing in our preview screen. We're going to click OK. We're going to click OK. And we have our define our new bullet. We're going to define another new bullet on the next group. Let's highlight. Arrow down at the bullets. Select define new bullet. And we're going to make this into a picture. Click on picture. We can choose from a file on our system by browsing. We can also search Bing for an image on the internet, or we can get an image on our OneDrive Personal. Let's click inside, and we're going to search for campfire image. Click on our search button, and it's going to give us images from the internet. Let's pick one. Okay, click insert, and we see our campfire images here in our preview screen. Click OK, and we have our images into bullets. Now we're going to do a numbering list. So let's highlight what we want to number. And our drop down listing, we're going to pick numbering, and we have several choices. If we hover over, we can see that they would change. And we're going to pick the Roman numbering. All right. The next listing we're going to use and make it into a multi-level list. Highlight the list. We're going to arrow down, pick from the multi-level list. We're going to pick this one here. And we do have a listing. In order to make it multi-level, you'll have to click and use your tab key. So we're going to tab once to get our second level of our multi-level list. Okay. Go down to the next item, and we're going to click on our tab key again. Get our second level of our multi-level list. Click again, one time tab. All right, we're going to go to our next list, and we're going to tap twice. Shows you what a multi-level list looks like. We're going to go to our next level. We're going to tab one time. It goes back to that level. We're going to go here and we're going to tap one time again. All right. Our last list, we're going to tap 3 times. Let's recap what we just learned. First, we would want to determine how you would want to format your list: bullet, numbering, or multi-level. On the Home tab, you can click the appropriate drop-down arrow to add the desired format.